In this video, I'm going to teach you a tutorial of the MoltBot ClawdBot OpenClaw beginner tutorial. So in here, this is actually something a developer that you can use as a gateway architecture. We have in here a chart or a chat interfaces. We have a gateway daemon right here as well as local coding agent. So in order to use this and install it, you have in here some system requirements and API cost. So it depends on what you want. We have light usage, which is a few commands per day, which is around $10 to $30 per month. Moderate usage is 30 to 70, and heavy usage is 70 to $150. You can just use this step-by-step installation. Just copy this code and run the installer clip, and once installed, the onboarding wizard launches automatically. You'll see right here this option, so head over and then start it right here. You should be able to install it directly, and you can see the skill status. You can configure it right now, and you can also just use it and then install it as you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.